Today we are comparing two different upholstery and carpet cleaners. So first we have the Bissell Little Green machine. And I've had this one for about 4 years, and then I have the newer UWANT B300 Pro. So we're going to be putting these to the test. So let's take a look at these brush heads. So you can see with the Bissell, they have a bright orange, reddish color bristles. The top here, the sprayer is beneath. And then on the UWANT, we have very similar sturdy bristles that are black. The sprayer sprays from the top. There's a couple things that actually make the UWANT superior. So for starters, my favorite part is that you can just take off this plastic piece to clean all of this. And you can even take off the bristle head. So we have the black bristles on one side, and then we have these silicone bristles that are much harder on the other side, depending on the type of mess you're trying to clean. And it even comes with an additional attachment. This fabric head is great for cleaning up hard surfaces and spills like this. So the reason that's so huge is because this, you cannot pop off. So if you get nice and close, you can see how gross this has become over time. We've had 4 pets in the last 4 years, so there's fur everywhere. So when I'm cleaning messes, usually caused by the pets, it pulls up some fur and then it just kind of gets stuck in there and has been there for so long. Next, let's take a look at their tanks. So the Little Green machine has a clean water tank and a dirty water tank. Both can easily be removed and filled or removed and emptied. So to do that, you just lift the clean tank out, turn it over, unscrew, fill with water in your solution. And then you stick it right back in when you have your dirty water ready to empty. So you really just pour this out. You can take out parts, rinse through as thoroughly as you can, but you still can't access all the parts, which drives me crazy because after some time, it starts to look really gross like this. On the UWANT, they have 2 that are combined. So you're gonna press this release button and lift it out. So the 2 tanks are both in here. The clean water tank is right here on top, so you just lift it, fill it up, and you can see the markings, add your solution. I know it looks small, but it is actually 41 ounces. This clean tank is 48 ounces, so it's just slightly smaller. And then the dirty water tank on the Bissell is 48 ounces, and the dirty water tank on here is 47 ounces. I do love that I can easily and thoroughly clean out the entire tank so that it doesn't get nasty like this one. And then here's the most important part. Does it do what it says it's going to do? This is a cushion from our couch that, yes, our dogs are allowed to lay on with us. I wash these pretty often, but I think it's been a month or 2. So let's give each of them a good wash with our cleaners and see how they do. So I'll do the UWANT on this side, the Little Green machine on this side, and we'll compare their efficacy and decide from there. So unfortunately, this wasn't as dirty as I thought it'd be, so it is hard to compare which did better. So we're gonna do the ketchup test on my rug to truly compare these 2 machines to see which one works better. They both clean pretty darn well. I give the Bissell a 7 out of 10. I think it used to be better. I think over time it has lost some of its power and suction. So when I'm done, the carpet or the upholstery is not entirely dry at all. Like, it's actually quite damp. So you just kind of hope that it dries well. Whereas the UWANT is so powerful. Its suction is a 10 out of 10. It is practically completely dry by the time I am done with it. So overall, like between the power and the efficacy of what these are designed to do, the UWANT has my vote.